Hello, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are doing fine. So, students, let us start today's class. So, what we were doing in our previous class? Anybody remember that? What we were doing? Let me show you a question related to that. Then you would be able to call what we were doing in the previous class. So, is a question related to that. Read the question carefully and try to answer it. You have to answer it in true and false form. That is, the question says to see all the functions by category, choose formula tab, then insert function, then insert function dialog appears from which we can choose function. Is this step is appropriate or not? What do you think? Yes. Take few seconds and think about it. So if you have answered it true, you have answered it very correctly. The answer would be true. The steps for opening the inserting function in the building function is that first of all you have to go to the formula tab, then you have to insert the command whatever you want to give and you can open it. Okay, so the answer is true. So what do you think, students? What would be the basic tools? Now in the previous class we have explored the tools, but what do you think, if I ask you to, you have to create some table. Okay, you have to give some entry where you want to see, or where you want to sort, I must say. You have to sort the names or the entries you have given in alphabetically form, also you have given in the numerical form. If you want to sort those tools in alphabetically order and numerically order, what do you think? There could be any command for that? Like sometimes it feels in your class also you are having roll numbers. Roll number wise you do everything. Like if your teacher want to check your notebooks, you says that okay ma'am, the notebooks would be checked roll number wise. So what happens is, if you are having your roll numbers in ascending order, that is 1 to 3, and you are very aware that when my turn would come. If you are having 4 roll number, then you know that after three students I would be having my turn. So isn't it the easiest way? In the similar way, in the access spreadsheet, I'm asking, is there any command, or what do you think? What could be the option for that? Yes. So this is what we're gonna do is sorting in Excel. If we want to set the entries in alphabetically or numerical order, we can sort them in alphabet and numerical form. Okay, so this is what our today's topic is. So let me write in it on the board. Okay, yes. So our today's topic for today is sorting in Excel. So this is what we're gonna do in today's class, that is sorting in Excel. Okay, so yes, let's start with it. Before explaining much further, let me give you the learning outcomes for this. After the completion of this lesson, you would be able to define the concept of built-in functions, which are sorting, and then you would be clearing the sorting in alphabetically order. Then you would be clearing the concept of alphabetically or sorting in alphabetically order and numerical orders, and then you would be appreciating the use of sorting in Excel also in real life, and you would be analyzing the difference between the numerical and alphabetical ones. So here you can see that sorting in Excel shows like this. First of all, what we do is we create the table, which you can see that the student name of the students are written here. Then science is written, math is, this is the score or the marks you are this is your class and you have obtained the numbers in science subject and in math subject. The marks statement is there, that means the details of the marks. Now you can see that the if we are you know watching in an alphabetical order, what you can see that are they in sorting form, like J comes before R or are not? J comes before R, that's fine. What about the next one? R, K, R is coming before at K. R, S, T, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R. So you can see that K is coming before R. So it is again not a sorted one. D is also coming before four of these. So we can see that it is not sorted. But if we have to write it in a sorted form, then we would be observing that Diksha would be coming on the first place and Pretty other would be coming on the second place as per the order of the alphabets and numericals. Here you can see that science marks is also written in this form, that is 85, 84. This is also we can sort according to the numerical form. Okay. So what do you think? Why do we need sorting in Excel? Yes, students, for the convenience we could say. Definitely, if we are having this option with the help of which we can easily make the data readable and convenient to read, because as I have given you example for these roll numbers. If you might know your roll numbers, you can easily, your teacher can easily check your notebooks accordingly, or they can call you for any task accordingly. Also, what they can do is they can sort it in form of alphabets also, like whose roll number is starting from A, that would be the first roll number. So this is how this sorted helps in Excel. Okay. So here's again a question in front of you. To see all the functions by category, choose the formula tab. Now you have to read the question and answer it. You would be answering it. I'll be declaring answer later. Take few seconds and try to answer it. Yes. You can pause the video and answer it. So the answer is true. So these are the steps which has been given to you. This is how we can open the sorted option. Okay. So now what you can say is that to sort in alphabetical order. Now I have explained you much about the alphabetical order one. How you can see that this option is in data, and you can observe it. The alphabets are written here, that is A, Z. The arrow is towards downwards. That shows that from A to Z it would be coming. Like if you have to write it in ascending order, it would be like A to Z. If you like, suppose if you are having, like you can choose your friends first. If you are having 5 friends, that is Aman, Jyoti, Diksha, okay, then Baljit. So what do you think? What do you think that it should be ordered in ascending order? That then Amanpreet would be coming first, then Baljit would be coming second, then Diksha would be coming third, and so on. So it would be in an ascending order. And if you want in descending order, then you can see that it is coming from Z to A. That means from Z towards downward. Like if you are having a name which of your friend which is in Z, starting from Z and so on, you would be noticing that your names would be coming in Z, then who is having the name starting with A, that would be coming at the end. Okay, so this is a option for alphabetical order, where you can select two options, that is in ascending and descending order. Okay, so you can see lot of options are there. You can read from the word only. Sort is written here, with the help of which it won't be so much difficult for you to find it out. It is coming, it would be under data option. Okay, so you can see, read the selection so that the highest values are at the top of the column. Okay. So yes, here's a question in front of you. You would be reading it and solving it. I won't be reading it for you now. Read it yourself and try to answer it. Yes. You can pause the video and answer it. Yes. What you have given the answer? If you have answered it as true, then you are absolutely correct. Very good. The answer would be true. Okay. So yes. So what do you think if how we could find sort in numerical order option in sorting Excel option? Okay. What do you think? Like I have shown you in the option that was coming in data, how could we find this numerical order option? Where we could find it? Let's see where we could find it. In the sort and filter option only. Here you can see that we can find the option for numerical sorting as well. Like I have given you example for alphabets. If for numericals also, if you are having roll number or any series number for anything, you can sort it in from 1 to infinity or wherever. If you are having limit of 1 to 10, you can write it as from 1 to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 9 10. That would be in ascending order. If you want that to be in descending order, then it would be like 10 9 8 7 6 4 3 2 1. Okay, so this is how you can do sorting in numericals also. Okay, in numerical form. So here is a picture where they are asking that the above picture shows the output of the sort and numerical order. Is it true or not? Take few seconds and try to answer it. Yes. So if you have answered it true, then you are quite confused. If you have answered it false, then you are absolutely correct, because this picture is showing the output but not sorted in numerical order, because you can see that in science option also and in maths option also, it is neither in ascending order nor in descending order, because 85 is the maximum one, is not the maximum one, as 86 is the maximum one, which should be coming here. 86 85 84 in this way, that would be descending order. If we want it in ascending order, then it should be like, which is the lowest one? 48. It would be like 48 54 56 57, then which is the next 84, then 85 86 85 would be coming twice. What do you think that if it is coming in ascending or descending order, these are also changing in alphabetically order? What do you think? No, they won't be changing from left hand side. If I have inserted 85 on third place, then this Jyoti name of the person would be coming in this column only. Okay, so don't worry about that. The data won't change because the entries and the details are for that person only, so we can't change that in this order. It depends on you if you want to sort in numerical form or alphabetically. So now let's practice for the same. So first of all, we would be opening the, share the screen. First of all, we would open, go to the start button. We would be opening Microsoft Excel. Yes. Here you can see that where was the option of sorting in the Excel file, Excel spreadsheet. It was in data. If you can recall that, it was in data. Where are you finding the option for sorting? Before using that, we have to create some entries also. Okay, let me show you it first. You can see it here. First of all, let me write some entries, names, marks. Let's see marks. This Jyoti, then Rajan, Rajni. Okay, so let's write it as, okay, let's write it as 70 out of 100, 60, then 80, then 90. Okay, so this is a kind of entries we have created. Now we can see the option for sorting, that is here. Now what you can see, I clicked on sort, then they have asked us for sort by what, by names or by marks. You can see that in a alphabetically order or in numerical order, like I say it as names. Okay, you can give the values also, like the cell colors also, if we have given to in order A to Z. Now here you can see that I was talking about the ascending and descending option, that from A to Z it would be ascending, and if you want from Z to A it would be descending. Or you can also customize the link as per you want. Okay, so I would be selecting A to Z only. Yes, what are you observing in the output? You can see that first of all, alphabets are in ascending order. It is starting from A, that is A. Then what comes next from all of these, that is J. Jyoti is written on the second, and from after the J it comes R. So they are sorted by alphabetical order. Okay, let's see now for numerical one, like for marks. You can see, you can here see that orders what we can give is smallest to largest and largest to smallest. Okay, this is what we can choose again. In this case I'm selecting the smallest to largest. What you're observing here, the marks are visible to you, that is 60, 70, 80 and 90. Okay, so this is how we can change it. Let us try for, okay, so it's, let us try from largest to lowest. Now what you can see, the marks are 90 are the maximum one, then 80 is the second lowest one, then 70, then 60. And what I mentioned was that if we are writing in a numerical way, but the left hand side would not remain same. Like if you know, if I, you know that Rajni is containing marks of 90 marks, then if I can't just change the numerical ones but not this one. We know that 90 marks belongs to Rajani, 80 belongs to Rajan, and 70 belongs to Jyoti, and 60 belongs to Aman. It depends which one you want to sort, either numerical one or the alphabetical one. Okay, so you have to make it sure in your mind that which one you want to select. Okay, then they would be sorting it according to you. Let us try for alphabets also, because we have choose selected one option but not the other one. I want you also to perform same on your laptops or computers with me right now. Now I want to form data next for selection. Since you haven't not selected this data, it will not be sorted. Okay, I don't really have to select it. The command could not complete by using ASY. Select a single cell within the range. They are asking me to select the single one. Okay, you have to read the instructions carefully, then you would be able to solve the whatever problem you are facing in front of you. Okay, you can solve it, and you can also ask me in the next class if you feel like you are having any problem. Now by names, we did from A to Z but not from Z to A. Now I would like to have it Z to A. Now I'm selecting it one. Now you can see that Z to A means the 8 would be, the names starting from A would be coming at the lowest, and the other would be starting from the lowest to upside. Like the Z, from the Z, the alphabets would be in a descending order. So Rajni is the lowest one from all of four, and Rajan is second last, Jyoti is third last, and Aman is the last one. Okay, so this is how we can convert, or we could say we can sort the entries in alphabetically and numerical form. So after crossing it, you can either save this file. You have to save this file so that you can see that what you have created, but I'm not saving it for now, so that you won't be, you have to save at your devices. Now let us conclude our chapter. Today we have learned about the sorting in Excel, how we can sort, how we can convert the entries detail in some ascending or descending order. Then we have understood about the alphabetically orders, how we can convert from alphabets, like from the ascending A to Z or descending Z to A. Then we have learned about the numerical order, that is smallest to largest and largest to smallest. Now, and this is the question for you. You have to tell me the meaning of sorting in Excel in your words. Now, I'm giving you a few seconds. Also, you can write it on your notebook and send it to me. I'll be checking it, what you have achieved in your lesson, this lesson, and also I would be checking the comment box. So what are the steps to sort in numerical order? This is also you have to write. I'm giving you a few seconds also so that you can answer it. Okay, so I hope you would be answering it and writing. You can pause the video as well and write it on your notebooks. So here are two questions in front of you. You have to write the uses of inserting sort in numerical order in MX Excel file and save it. Also, you have to write it in your computer notebook. Then you have to write the steps of sorting alphabet orders. Okay. Then you have to do two activities where you have to create the spreadsheet where you would be creating the list of your friends' birthday. This would be interesting activity for you because whenever you would be having your birthday, you can invite your friends. They sometimes we are having lot of friends we want to invite from our school, from our tuitions, and who are living in our streets also. So we are having lot of friends and we want to invite them all. What you can do is you can write it them in alphabetically orders, so that you won't forget and miss any student, miss any friend of yours in your birthday party. So this is what you can do and create entries in spreadsheet. Then you have to create a flow chart where you have to write the steps for inserting the sorting in MX Excel. Okay, so you can again put your efforts in drawing the way you always love to. So that's all for today's class, friends. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Thank you.